Hi, I'm Billi Maddox and I'm gonna mess this up so that you don't have to.
So ever since I started playing Animal Crossing, I've been obsessed with the bamboo wand. It's one of the first ones I had, and I kind of wanted to make my own in real life. But this is something I've been planning for a while now. You have no idea how hard it is to get bamboo. Not even a craft store could I get a plastic one, but this is a real one, and I finally found one after scrolling through post after post of like 5-foot long, 100 bundled, bamboo stalks or sticks or whatever they're called, or having to order 100 too small pieces of bamboo. Finally, I found someone that just had these 2 pieces of bamboo. This is one of them, and well, it's gonna have to work. It's not quite the right size, but I think I did a pretty good job. Anyway, also, it's not green, so I'm gonna have to mix up a green here, is what you're seeing on screen, and paint this up, do a little bit of customizing. As you saw, I already did that cut, that angled cut. That is, how it is in the game. And right now I'm just gonna mask off that part at the top because it's supposed to be sort of, that natural bamboo color, the sort of yellowish bamboo color. But yeah, wow, what a mission to find this piece of bamboo. I've been searching for months. And no, I was not gonna buy a 5-foot pole for this 12-inch piece that I needed. And again, it's not quite the right thickness, but I think, translating it from, Game World, translating it from Animal Crossing to the real world is, there's some translation there. So I think this is gonna work. I mixed up a pretty good green here. This is a very quick paint up. Like in the game, I'm leaving those ridges, that sort of yellow/natural color. And just giving this a coat of this green. I just did one coat of it because I did want some of that natural to sort of show through, because I didn't want it to be just a flat green color either. I wanted it to have a bit of dimension, so I just gave it one coat so that there's a little bit of show through. Can't believe a project that I literally finished in maybe a half hour to an hour took me months to find this bamboo. Oh my god. But finally we are here, and I will have my bamboo wand. I was kind of making this up as I went along, and I had this little fruit cup container that was plastic and had little ridges all the way around, and thought, well, this would be a perfect leaf. There's 2 leaves that are on the side of the wand, and I needed to cut those out. I wanted to use plastic because I was going to end up gluing it to the side of it, and wanted something that was going to stay rigid but floppy, if that makes sense. And this actually, that little lip on the bottom that you could see right there at the bottom of this little cup, worked out perfectly as a tab that kind of fits right into one of those ridges. You'll see that in a sec. This all happened, I think, because it took me so long to get the materials, well, just the bamboo. I think it all kind of, like, the universe blessed me with everything else falling into place. The green being mixed up and being the perfect green from the game. And then also, you'll see in a sec how those little ridges, like where I'm cutting right now, how there's like a step down, if you can kind of see that. My hand's in the way. it fits perfectly with how I needed these leaves to kind of drape and droop along the side of the wand. So, love it when a plan comes together. I'm cutting away from my hand here if anyone's, if there are anyone that's concerned. Safety first, everyone. These knives are very sharp and they will kill you. You will die if you get cut with one of these. I mean, probably not, but I mean, who knows? Better safe than sorry. I did a rough cut around them. I'm gonna go back in and cut the actual shape with some scissors and clean it up. So I'm cutting a little bit more, leaving it proud of that line so that I can come back and cut it properly. Just need to release it from the cup. You'll see a bit better the shape of these once they're painted up. There's like these little ridges that go all the way around the side of that cup. It kind of really works as a leaf shape. You can kind of see it, sort of glints in the light. But you'll be able to see it a bit better when it's cut. When it's painted. This is also just getting a coat of paint. You see how it has like a little raised area in the middle there? How perfect is that for a leaf? I'm telling you, it all just came into place. I literally got this cup 2 days ago from a fruit cup that I bought at my job. So now, time for some hot glue. Let's hot glue some stuff to some stuff. But look, check this out. If you can sort of notice here how that little lip fits right into that little recessed part of the bamboo perfectly. Look at that. I didn't even have to like adjust it. It just kind of sat in there perfectly. This is when I knew, like, okay. When I started this project, I was like, a couple minutes ago, because this took really, it was really a quick project. I was like, is this dumb? Is this a dumb project? But when I got to this point, I was like, no, this is everything I've ever wanted. Look at that. Look at how they drape. Look at how they droop along the side. I'm just sort of pushing it into place here. I'm going to add a bit more hot glue just to really secure everything in place. You're not really going to be able to see it, but I just wanted this to really be secure and not fall off at some point. You see it's sort of globbed up there. Here's a tip. I took the glue out of the back of the hot glue gun, but left it running. And then if you run that along any sort of globs of glue that you have on there, you can smooth it out with just the heat of the tip and get a nice sort of cleaner look. But yeah, here it is. My wand! And some beauty shots. I'm really happy with this dumb little project. I've wanted this wand since I got it in the game months and months ago, and now I have my very own. Very excited. I mean, this is gonna sit on the shelf, but it's my own little commemorative little prop from the game that helped a lot of us through 2020. Let's be real. I think it translates, It's a bit thinner than in the game, but I think it translates to a human hand. Oh, it turned out so cool. Why am I so excited about this? Now I can change my clothes whenever I want. And that's pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching. Roll the thing!